Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and Merry Christmas to all of you and a Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa and Happy Holidays and Happy whatever holiday you celebrate. And for today, I'm gonna unbox my Canon PowerShot SX740 HS that I got for Christmas. So yeah, what else is in the box? So I got it as a combo. I got a 32 gigabyte SD card with a Canon branded PowerShot carrying case. That's pretty cool. Let's open the case up first. This is pretty cool. I like it. Deluxe leather case. Ooh. I got a Canon camera because I could make my YouTube videos now. Instead I use my iPad or my phone. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, you can attach it to your belt. Nice. Oh, let's begin. I like the packaging. This is nice. I got the Canon PowerShot SX740 HS, has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Let's unbox it, shall we? Okay. What is this? This is Canon limited warranty. So if anything happens to my camera, it's over the warranty. Yeah. I'll keep that. I won't lose that. Then we got the Canon Getting Started Guide. I might use this because I never used the camera before. I did, but not like a smart one with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So let's see. Okay. This is the... Sorry about that, my friend called me. Alright, we will add the unboxing the battery wall adapter. This is where the battery goes. Full charge. Oh, that's nice. Pretty cool. What else is in the box? We got the battery itself and the lanyard to attach to the camera, and then the camera itself. I like the weight, it's nice and heavy. Ooh, wow, it feels so nice. Let's see if it has juice. Oh, it does not. Oh wait, I forgot. I have to put the battery in. Silly me. I thought the battery was in there already. Open. That's a cool battery. I think you put it in. I'll put the SD card in first. These are really tough. Okay, I got it open, the SD card. Nice and neat. Okay.
Oh, come on. I hate these wrapping so bad. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Okay, I got it open finally. Oh, it's this entire big thing goes in. Oh, okay. Oh, that's cool. And how does the battery go? It goes like this. And it locks in place. Unlock this. Let's see if it has battery. Oh, it does. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So yeah, I'm gonna set this up off camera, and yeah, I'll come back when it's all done. Alright, I got it all set up with the date and stuff, and I actually love it so much. It feels so nice. And I can flip it back, and then I can vlog. Whoa! This is cool. And then I think there's an iPhone app, so I'll play one with the camera. So yeah, this is it for the video and the unboxing. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and tell me in the comments what you got for Christmas. And so yeah, have a Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Holidays, and Happy Solstice. And yeah, peace out.